Earlier, I mentioned quality control measures in the scientific community. So there are two main measures. One is that results are verified by independent duplication, and the second is that it is verified by publications in a peer-reviewed journal. Independent duplication really means just that two or more scientists from different institutions investigate the same question separately and get similar results. And the other is peer-reviewed journals. And those are journals that publish articles only after they have been checked for quality by several experts, objective scientists from different institutions. I also asked you in the pre-assessment whether you find science boring. Whoa! Science boring? How can it be boring to try to understand the world? Why bananas are crooked, and why the sky is blue, and how these crickets make these weird sounds, and how spiders mate with each other, and how barnacles can have sex even though they are affixed to the ground. I think it's the language that scientists use. You know, these scientific articles are full of scientific references and language that usually require advanced training. And so it turns people off. And we forget that science is something that a kid can do. You just ask a question and you follow some steps in trying to answer it. So there are a couple of things we can do right away to identify good science. One is to always look for the evidence that is provided to back up claims. And the other is to look at the source of the data. There are plenty of examples of both good and bad research done by all of these groups here, universities, corporations, governments, and special interest groups. But a careful understanding of the interests and the funding sources of research will give you an idea of what the bias might be if the research is biased. So the question is always, where is the money?